When viewing a newly created group, all lights in that group are shown together and unordered. Zones are an optional subgrouping that helps to identify devices or locations and to further organize your project. To create a zone, simply press the menu button on the group screen and select Create Zone. Give the zone a name and then press Next. On this screen, you can select all the group lights you wish to add to this zone. Pressing Add to Zone completes the process. Here, back on the group screen, you can see your newly created zone and zone lights. Follow the same process to add as many zones as needed, up to 15 zones per group. Remember, you can use the Tap to Identify feature to find specific lights. Finally, we have our project with all lights organized into zones.